Hello and welcome to ONCA 101, What's New in the ONCA. My name is Benjamin Miller and I'm a lawyer who serves nonprofits and charities, and I'm of counsel with B.I.G Charity Law Group. In this video, we'll review some of the biggest differences between Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act and the legislation it's replacing, Ontario's Corporations Act. Just a quick disclaimer, the following is general legal information, not legal advice. If you'd like advice, then we recommend you speak to a competent legal advisor. My contact information is at the end of this presentation, and I'm pretty competent. And you can also visit charitylawgroup.ca. So just quickly, Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act replaces Ontario's Corporations Act, which was in effect until October 19th, 2021. So this is an act which basically governs all provincially incorporated nonprofits, with a few exceptions. And it updates the old legislation, it makes it clearer, makes it less difficult to navigate, and there are also some new elements to it which we'll review shortly. If you existed prior to October 19th, 2021, then you'll be interested in the ONCA to transition to it, and we have a series of videos explaining how to transition to it. If you're totally new, then this video will just make you appreciate what you're getting into that prior nonprofits in Ontario didn't have. So the first big difference between Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act and the OCA, Ontario's Corporations Act, is that it introduces a new concept, the public benefit corporation. Previously, all nonprofits faced the same rules. Under the new act, you face additional stringencies if you're either a charity or you receive more than $10,000 from the public sources like government or people who aren't your members or related to your members. So that's new and adds additional layers of accountability. The second big difference is that it loosens the requirements for an audit. So previously, under Ontario's Corporations Act, all nonprofits earning more than $100,000 a year had to get an audit. Under $100,000, you could waive it. Now, under Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act, if you have income between $100,000 and $500,000, if you're a public benefit corporation, you can get a review engagement. If you're not a public benefit corporation, you don't even have to get a review engagement. You can waive all external financial review. If your income is above $500,000, if you're a public benefit corporation, then you must have an audit. But for a non-public benefit corporation, no matter how high your income is, you can still get a review engagement. So that should save some nonprofits some money and stress. And finally, Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act is coming with new technology, the Ontario Business Registry, which will allow nonprofits to order information online, do their annual filings online, and it'll speed up the time it takes to change things, such as your name or your purposes. So that is a new modern convenience. So that was a general overview of Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act. In future videos in this series, we'll explain how to transition to Ontario's Not-for-Profit Corporations Act. Any other questions can be sent to me, benjamin.miller at charitylawgroup.ca, or you can visit charitylawgroup.ca to get in touch with somebody else at the group. Thanks for listening.